Hello. Guess what this is? This is my driver's license. I passed my driving test. Whew. Today, I rented a car so I can drive around Washington, D.C. You can see more of the city this way. Marcia!
Anna, did you get your driver's license?
I did, but it was not easy.
Why? What happened?
Well, you know, I can drive farm equipment really well. But I was really nervous driving in Washington, D.C. traffic.
Did you pass the test the first time?
Well, no. But I did pass the second time.
What happened during the first test?
It started fine.
Okay, Anna, is your seatbelt buckled?
Yes, sir.
Great. Please start the car.
Okay, Anna, start the car. I started the car. Good job, Anna.
Why are you talking to yourself?
I am a little nervous. When I'm nervous, I talk to myself.
You don't need to be nervous.
Listen to that engine.
Please, stop pushing the gas pedal.
Sorry.
Okay, when you are ready, turn.
Great.
Not now! You almost hit that car.
You said turn.
Look first. There were cars in the street.
Please don't yell at me.
I'm sorry. I was afraid.
You were yelling.
Look out for that car! Brake! Brake! Ah!
Why is everyone honking at us?
You were driving too slow. Anna, stay on the street. Hands on the wheel, Anna.
What's that sound?
That, Anna, is the police.
That sounds awful.
Yes, it did not go well. But I practiced and passed the second time.
Do you know where you want to take your first drive in Washington, D.C.?
Yes. Let's go.
go!
There it is! The White House!
Anna, you do know you can't drive up to the White House, don't you?
Yes. No, I didn't know. I guess we walk from here. Sometimes you can see more of Washington, D.C. in a car. If you want to see the White House, you need to walk. Until next time.